Hi viewers, friends and my dear students. This is G. Rajendra Babu working as English faculty for 11th and 12th standard in Velammal Group of Institutions, Chennai. Today I am here to explain you about a summary of a poem called My Mother at 66, which is in 12th standard. In this, we will learn about the relation between a poet and a mother. Here, before going to the summary, let us discuss about a poet called Kamala Das. The author of this lesson is nothing but Kamala Das. She is very famous poet in India and she was born in Kerala. And when you observe her very closely, she always focuses on inner feelings of the people in her writings. She always gives feelings and she always gives importance for feelings and sentiments of the people. She doesn't focus on external feelings of a people. This is one of the extraordinary qualities of Kamala Das. And let us now we will go to summary. In this, the poem starts with the journey of Kamala Das and her mother to an airport called Kochi Airport. While they were traveling to Kochi Airport in the car, she observes, that means the narrator or the poet Kamala Das observes her mother very carefully, and she used to sleep by closing her eyes and opening her mouth wide opening, and she observes her face very closely. Then our author understood that author is nothing but here daughter. Both were traveling in the car. Daughter understood that her mother face was very weak, she was very dull, and her face was pale. Now for the first time she recognizes that her mother became very old and weak. Now it pains her a lot. It gives a different kind of ache in her heart. So she doesn't digest that her mother had become very old. She also feels very guilty that she was separating her mother from her life. To avoid these kind of negative thoughts, she used to see outside of the car to develop positive thoughts in her mind. Whenever she see outside of the car, she observes some trees, and she also described that trees were passing away. That means the trees were going back while they were moving forward. That means she used a personification here, and she has given a comparison. That means movement comparison to the trees. And she also observes some children, those who are very energy and enthusiasm. She also remembers her childhood age, and whenever she remembered her childhood age, she understood that at that time her mother was very young and she was very active, but now she became very old. With this kind of thoughts, they will reach to the airport. After reaching to the airport, she will go to officials of airport for the checking of her material and all. While checking, she again observes her mother, which she was standing few yards away from her place. When she observes her mother, again she observes she looks very weak. And here the poet, the daughter, she used a word called corpse. Corpse means nothing but a dead body. That means a dead body's face. She compared her mother's face with a dead body's face. That means her mother had become very weak in her attire. And again it gives a lot of pain to the daughter. And she always feels guilty that she was separating her mother from her life, and she also thinks that maybe she will die after going there, and she also feels that maybe she can't see again because she is very old, and she also feels that it's not good to leave her in her age, but unfortunately she has to go. So that's why she used to go there, and these kind of feelings developed in her mind, but she did not express these kind of feelings to her mother. And at last she will tell that, and always she smiles at her, she smiles at her, she smiles at her. That means smile, smile and smile. Here also the poet used a figure of speech. It is nothing but repetition. Smile and smile and smile. With that expression, she has given some security feeling. That means she understood that her mother was feeling a different kind of insecure while leaving her daughter. To give energy to her mother, she always smiles, and she has given a different kind of sign to her that again they are going to meet in the future. This gives a little bit boost, this gives a little bit confidence, this gives a little bit security to her mother. So these kind of feelings were explained by Kamala Das very beautifully, sentimentally. So by this we can understand that Kalpana Das always focus on sentiments and feelings of a people, and this poem shows the relation between a mother and a daughter while separating from each other. Thank you.